Okay, so I already moisturized my face and lips off camera. Now, I don't really know what type of look I'm going for yet, but I do know I wanted to do a look inspired by Rudolf the Reindeer. So I've never done any inspired looks before. So I really hope I do my little buddy the reindeer well, you know, like I really hope it comes out cute. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna go in my Violet Voss Creme Brulee and this caramel brown color right here. Now I'm gonna go in with my Print Trap palette and I'm gonna go in this red shade right here. Now I'm gonna go in my Secret Society Illuminati Quad palette and I'm gonna go in this really light shimmer right here. I feel like my crease needs to be just a tad bit darker, so I'm gonna go back in my Illuminati palette and this dark brown right here and go right over the crease one more time. Now I'm gonna go in with my Lid Glaze Hydrating Jelly Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Champagne. Alright, so I went and finished my eyes off camera. I did my eyeliner and my mascara. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. concealer again with my Black Radiance darker concealer. So I'm gonna use these two to contour. for blush, I'm gonna go in the Warrior 3 by Juvia's palette in the shade Jarawa. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Realer Confidence and my Glow highlighter. All right, for the lips, I'm going to be lining them with this Pixie by Petra eyeliner, but this one is in like a glittery brown shade. I cannot find the name of it. Oh, Bronze Beam, I guess. And then I'm going to finish off the lip with my Jewel Smith Beauty in the shade Namaste All Day. Okay, so I want to play with the look a little bit more. I feel like I could push myself a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with my NARS bronzer in the shade Algorithm. And I'm gonna try to pretty much darken my contour a little bit more. Okay, so the bronzer is not really getting as dark as I would like it to, so I'm gonna go back in my Violet Voss Creme Brulee and I'm gonna go in this brown shade over here. And I will try to darken up the perimeter of my face, my forehead, and try to get that contour to pop a little bit more. Alright guys, so this is what my look ended up looking like. I'm not gonna lie, I actually really like it. I mean, some of the work is a little bit sloppy, but I don't mind because I just wanted to do this for a little bit of fun. It's not like I'm going anywhere, but it still looks cute to me. But let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below, and if you like this look and you want to see more of this type of stuff, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post something dope. Alright, so yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.